Dear friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss the second technique of static polymorphism is operator overloading. Because in the last class, we have discussed function overloading as a static polymorphism with a different example. In today's class, we are going to discuss the operator overloadings. Remember, as operator overloading is a one technique for compile time polymorphism where the operator to be overloaded and it has a specific meaning as user defined data type means the operator's work will be done by objects means how a operator will work now a object will work accordingly. That is the main importance of operator overloading features. Operator overloading is used to redefine the most of the operator available in C++ and we have to define what are the different operator to be overloaded, what are the other operator cannot be overloaded. It is used to perform some operation on user defined data type that is in the form of classes, and C++ provide the ability to add the variable to subtract the variable in the form of built-in data type or in the form of user defined data type. The advantage of operator overloading includes some of the operator on which operator overloading works in some of the operator where the operator will not work, like scope resolution operator, size of operator, membership operator, pointer operator, ternary operator, on which the operator overloading will not work. What is the syntax of operator overloading? The answer is return type means void or integer followed by the class name on which operator to be overloaded, then the scope resolution operator if it is access outside followed by operator is the keyword, and op means the operator you want to overload followed by argument list that is basically belongs to the class objects followed by the set of statement you want to write within the block of the operator. Return type is the void, integer, or anything else. Class name is anything else, whatever you are taking the class name. Scope resolution operator followed if it is access, the definition is written outside. Operator is the keyword followed by operator you want to overload followed by the argument list that belongs to the class, basically the class object type, followed by you want to write the set of statement within that block. Here it is clarified what is the return type, class name, and operator why it is taken, and what is the meaning of op means operator you want to overload, hence operator is a keyword and op is the operator you want to overload. Now what is the rules of creating or writing the program for operator overloading? What are the rules for creating operator overloading? Remember, existing operator can be overloaded just like plus, minus, into, division, etc. New operator cannot be overloaded. The overloaded operator contains at least one operand of the user defined data type. It may be the object of the class or the object of a class you want to overload. We cannot use friend functions to overload. Friend function cannot be overloaded. When unary operator are overloaded through member function, takes no explicit argument. When the unary operator like a plus plus or minus minus is overloaded, you have not to take any argument within the function call. When the binary operators are overloaded through a member function, you can take a argument. Means in the unary operator, the function does not contain any argument, but in binary operator, you can take some argument because more than one value to be overloaded and added for the different operations. Now, in this session, we want to overload two operators. One is unary and one is binary. Accordingly, the other operator you can overload. See, you have taken class test and its member is num, and you have taken a constructor where the number value 8 is stored. You can take test function definition followed by num equal to 8 or num bracketed 8, meaning it's same. Now, operator, return type operator, the plus plus is the unary operator to be overloaded, and hence it has no argument, hence only parenthesis is taken, and within the function block whatever you want that you can write accordingly. Void print is a general member function. Now, when the object of the test class is created, now the test function will call as a constructor and num value 8 will be stored. Then plus plus t, it will call where the plus plus operator is invoked. Here see, the plus plus is called. Previously you never see any operator function will be worked. The operator plus plus will be called and num value will incremented by 2. You can send this statement as plus 1 or plus 3 or anything else, means num value becomes 8. Now tt.print, print is a normal method which will display what is the value of num, it will be 10. If you want to run this program, then move to your turbo compiler and open that program. I have written it in op4.cpp. See, same program is written and you try to compile it, and now you run it. You will be getting the result accordingly. See, the same program is written, and if you want to see it for step-by-step execution, you can give as you see when called and when loading. Now will it output. Again I am repeating, you have taken a class A and its member X and the constructor is taken as A, and we have taken the return type void operator to be overloaded, that is plus, and it is taking the argument that is a class type, and its definition is outside, hence we have written return type, the class name followed by the scope resolution operator, operator is the keyword, and operator to be overloaded as a plus. Now you see, when the first object is created for A1, the value is stored X is how much? 5. For the second object A2, the value is stored as 4. Now we are writing A1 plus A2 means where it is called? It will comes to here. Now for A1, the normal variable or the member works X, and for the A2, the value is stored in the object that is A. Means for A2, A will work, and for A1, X will work. Means which one is the last object, the object will work accordingly for here. Means A2's object will be held in A. Now A means what? The local member, and X is the what? The first object. A1.x means 5 plus A2 means what? The second object means 4. Means 5 plus 4, it will be 9. The result will be displayed as 9. If I want to run this program, then what will happen? Or open this program. I have written it. Suppose op55.cpp. Now see, I am compiling this program and then I am running. You will be getting the result 9. You see, the same program is written. If I want to run it in the step called constructor gets called. Now plus by the will now rest of the program, and here we have run two binary operators, two operator overloading features. One is for plus plus, one is as a unary operator and plus as the binary operator. Like plus, you can overload minus, into, division and other operator. In this way, in today's session, we discuss operator overloading with example, and this is the completion of static polymorphism, which include function overloading and operator overloading. I think you understand. Having any doubt, please make the comment. If you like the video, kindly like it. If you have not subscribed previously, kindly subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next class.